Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Reno 8 Lite to an Android device. You need to start by choosing Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and finally allow. Following that, choose receive on an Android and send on Oppo. Then you need to click on all of those dots. After that, select send. This way you can choose all of your files that you wish to transfer and then send them later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one. Tap on send and click on got it. On an Android, just no thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and then tap on receive, but we can also scan this QR code. If you wish to do that, you need to select this scanning icon on Android, tap on while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the QR code. After that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!